5-minute tutorial. Crocheting a double-layer snowflake for beginners. Materials needed. Use the 2.0 mm hook for the upper, smaller snowflake piece. Use the 2.5 mm hook for the lower piece. Start with a magic ring. Hold the yarn between your pinky and ring finger. Bring it over your index finger. Wrap it around your middle finger once and hold the crossover point. Insert the hook into the loop. Hook the yarn and pull it through. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. The starting stitch is complete. This counts as one chain. Remove the loop from your finger. Crochet 2 more chains. Yarn over, pull through. Second chain, third chain. These 3 chains count as the first double crochet. Beginners place a stitch marker in the third chain. This helps keep the pattern symmetrical. Next, crochet 2 chains. This completes one pattern set. Then, work a double crochet into the ring. Yarn over, hold, insert hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Pull up to the height of the 2 chains. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. 1 double crochet is complete. Next, crochet 2 chains. This completes 2 sets. Repeat the sequence. 1 double crochet, 2 chains. There are 6 sets in total for round 1. Finish the remaining 4 sets yourself. After 6 sets are complete, tighten the ring by pulling the short tail. Join with a slip stitch directly into the first chain space. Remove the stitch marker. Insert the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Pull through the loop on the hook. Pull tight. After finishing round 1. There should be 6 spaces. Count to check if correct. Round 2 is worked entirely into the chain spaces. First, crochet 3 chains. Counts as first double crochet. Beginners, place a stitch marker in the third chain. Then, crochet 3 more double crochets into the same chain space, including the first 3 chain. This makes a total of 4 double crochets. Try to keep the height of each double crochet consistent. Next, crochet 2 chains. This completes the first set. The pattern for this round is 4 double crochets, 2 chains. Quickly demonstrating the second set. In the next chain space, crochet 4 double crochets. Try to keep the double crochet height consistent with the previous ones. Crochet 2 chains. This completes 2 sets. Finish the remaining 4 sets yourself. After finishing, start round 3. Skip the first double crochet. Work a slip stitch into the second double crochet. Then work another slip stitch into the third double crochet. Skip 1 stitch. Next, crochet 3 chains. Work a slip stitch into the next chain space. Then crochet 5 chains. Work a slip stitch into the same chain space. Then crochet 7 chains. Work a slip stitch into the same chain space. Then crochet 5 chains. Work a slip stitch into the same chain space. Then crochet 3 chains. This completes the first pattern set. Quickly demonstrating the second set. Skip 1 stitch. Work a slip stitch into the second double crochet. Work a slip stitch into the third double crochet. Skip 1 stitch. 3 chains. Work a slip stitch into the next chain space. 5 chains. Slip stitch into the same chain space. 7 chains. Slip stitch into the same chain space. 5 chains. Slip stitch into the same chain space. 3 chains. This completes 2 sets. Finish the remaining 4 sets yourself. After finishing, join with a slip stitch into the first slip stitch of the round. Fasten off. Use a tapestry needle to weave in the ends. Hide the yarn tail on the back. Insert the needle under any stitch, catching the yarn. Cut the excess yarn. The starting tail can also be woven in again. The piece might not be flat after crocheting. You can iron it flat or flatten it under a heavy object. Using the same method, Crochet 2 snowflake pieces in total. Use the smaller hook for the upper piece. Use the larger hook for the lower piece. Then stack the 2 pieces offset on top of each other. Secure with glue. Next, crochet a bow for decoration. Chain to start. Bring the tail down to form a loop. Hold the crossover point. Insert hook, yarn over and pull through. Pull the tail tight. Crochet chains. 25 chains. Number can be adjusted. After finishing, fasten off directly. Pull tight. Cut the yarn tail. Then take a separate piece of yarn and tie it tightly around the center of the chain bundle. Cut the excess yarn tails. Then glue it to the center of the snowflake. All done.